here out yard sailing this morning. I've got a few things back there in the back, and when I get home I will show you what I got. Hey, I'm Connie and welcome to my channel, Thrifty Gal Collectibles. I am showing you a haul today from a yard sale in my neighborhood, or close to my neighborhood, and I thought I would show you some of the things that I picked up today. This is just a quick preview right here. So right now we'll start with this nifty crock. I really like the crock. It does have a broken lid, but it has a cute style. It looks like a ginger jar type. The only drawback to is somebody got paint on it, which is a shame. But you know what? Even with the paint on it, it would make a great planner. Or heck, if you're going to put it up to display, you put that mark in the back and you'll never see it. I also found the next thing I found is this Princess House pitcher. It's really, glass. This was all the rage. Everybody did Princess House. My goodness, I did Princess House. A long time ago, I had just about everything. The only thing I didn't have was the dishware and stuff like that. But all the glass stuff, whoo, boy, I couldn't leave it go. I had party after party. But that's a nice piece, and that I will probably take to the Olde Factory. I'm going to take this as well down there because people are always looking for crocks and whatnot. The next item is this really nice older style jewelry box. It's in great shape. There's some marks on the inside, but it's just really cool looking. It opens up and it has a drawer on the bottom. And it looks like it holds a lot of jewelry. And this one here, I don't know if I'm going to put it on eBay. I usually do that. I need to clean this up. There's some discoloration in there. But it's mostly just dust. No real gouges or anything on it. And I sell these on eBay from time to time. There's a little ding on the end there. But overall, it's a nice looking, larger jewelry box. So if I don't sell it on eBay, I'll probably take it to the Olde Factory. I may have some junk jewelry that I can put in it just to make it, a little bit more exciting. Here's a nice wooden tall chest style jewelry box, and you can hang, you can hang necklaces and rings, and there's little drawers for them. And a nice big drawer on the bottom. It's really pretty, and it's probably about 18 inches tall. And that'll hold somebody's jewelry. Nothing, looks almost like a armoire style. And I picked up these nice pictures. Whoops. That looks like a chickadee, and it says chick and berries. And I'm a hummingbird. I love hummingbirds, and this is a nice tall picture with 3 different hummingbird squares in there. This one here, I love this. This is a Gone with the Wind lamp. I'm sorry about the junk in the background, guys. Really nice Gone with the Wind lamp. It's a 3-way. The bottom lights up. So there's that. I've got these wonderful ceramic cans, and I'll probably end up selling them, but for right now I'm going to use them for jewelry display and when I take my photos, because I have a lot of jewelry. And I probably should just do a separate haul for the jewelry because there's so much of it. And I don't even know if anybody's interested in it, but if you are, you let me know and I will definitely do one. But it is made in California. And funk, it says. But they're really neat. So, and they're heavy too. And I have a little dainty hand that I use for my jewelry, but I broke it and it's small, so these will definitely make a better display piece. This is a really cool umbrella. As you can see, it's like rainbow color. I will open it up here in a second. But it has one of those plastic ball ends. Now there is some, like the gold wore away and it's black. And I guess the handle, it's not exactly shiny because probably they left it, rub against you know, the holder or just from general use of holding the umbrella. But overall, it's really neat looking. And there's no holes in it that I could see. So when I'm done here, I'll open it up so you can see it. And then I just picked up this cute little sugar and spice magnetic doll kit. I'll take that to the Olde Factory. Either that or I'll put it on eBay. That's one of those things I have to decide. Next thing I found was this really neat tea towel, and I love tea towels, and this caught my eye. It's the Smiling Pigs, though I don't know that they're really smiling all that much, but that's what it's called. It's by Bob Goriel, I can't say it. There we go. So that will go in my Etsy shop. And I picked up 2 vintage purses. This kind of looks like tapestry, and this one is like wool material with an old clasp top. Nothing, you know, too fancy, but it has a long, this one has a long chain. And this one here has a smaller chain. And I picked up again too, this is a pair of Burwood butterfly wall plaques. And I'll be putting these in my Etsy shop. Of course, if there's anything in here that you are interested, please feel free to message me and we can work out something. But those will be neat. And what else have we got here? We got 2 wicker heart boxes. They'll probably go to the Olde Factory. I don't know. I'll put something in them. They'd be neat little hanky boxes. So we'll see what we do with those. What else? Oh, this is my little jewelry haul that I got today. They're all pretty interesting. This is lucite. I might try to fix it because it's a stretch bracelet that definitely has stretched out. And some beads. And this is really neat. I got to take them out of the bag because I thought they were pins. Well, one is a pin. And his face is wearing off here. See the enamel flower pin. He's really neat. His face, though, is wearing, and the stalk is it's a little loose. But the cool thing in here are these earrings, which I thought were pins. Look at that. Those are awesome. It has a little bee, and they're clip-on earrings. Huge. They are so huge, but totally awesome. And there's a couple pieces of Monet in there. This is a Monet faux amber bracelet. This is just like some earrings from Hong Kong. They're real shiny, great for Christmas. And the other really, oh, here, this too. Oh, I should have been more prepared when I did this. This caught my eye. It is a Sarah Coventry ring. Aurora Borealis rhinestones, but nevertheless, really neat looking, but very small. Probably a 6 or a 5. Here's the thing that I really like. It's a purple parrot bead necklace. Awesome, awesome necklace. It's pretty long, too. There's the parrots. Oh, he's so cute. So that is part of that. And, oh, I got this really neat table. Oh, and light, too, as well. Wicker light. I need to get a shade and a finial. And I know somebody, so I'll get one of those to finish that off. And behind it is a vintage cooler. And that there is really awesome. In the summertime, this would make, even though the top is a little worn, this would make a great ice holder for drinks. So I opened up the umbrella. I couldn't do that and hold the phone at the same time, but the colors are really, I'm going to hold it up to the door. There, it's like rainbow colors. It's so cool. And that's the handle, lucite handle. And I'll show you the other side. It looks like a balloon, but that's the other side of the umbrella. That's awesome. I love the colors. It's a little, there's some discoloring on it. You know, it's going to be because of age and use, and it may have, you know, faded, but overall it's still really neat looking. So this is what it looks like. I should have opened it up outside, but the heck with that. And then the last two things were I got two of these barrels that I'll take to the Olde Factory. People like those to use those for holding lawn equipment and hockey sticks and all kinds of stuff. We always need stuff to put stuff in. So these will go to the Olde Factory. This one's kind of ratty. The other one, let me see here. The other one's a little nicer. It actually has a label for Hershey, PA, which is where we are close to. So that was probably used in the plant somewhere at one point. So that too will go to the Olde Factory, and somebody will want that to store their stuff in. So this is my haul for today. I'll be filtering this stuff through eventually, some to my eBay store, some to my Etsy store, and some to the Olde Factory. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please hit the like and subscribe button to see more videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.